Alright, so my DARKSYNTH has arrived from some shady laboratory in Indiana, and I'm about to put some batteries in this thing and see what it does. And I hope that in the meantime I don't start a fire or something like that, but we're gonna see what the DARKSYNTH can do. Dang it, my screwdriver's too big. Seriously? Alright, I borrowed a Phillips from my landlord. Let's see if this thing opens. By the way, this is my shady demonic cat that my mom gave me for my birthday. And most of my friends think it's kind of scary. And it is a little creepy, but I also think it's cool. It's a teapot. Whoa. So, back to this. This one's too big too. Shoot. I guess this will work because I can't find the proper tool. And luckily, I have some batteries. This thing doesn't have a power supply. It runs on batteries. Oh shit, there are batteries in it already. Okay, so I guess all I need to do is turn it on. Anyways, go DARKSYNTH! So that's the DARKSYNTH. I want to just do a review and say that it's built pretty it's built pretty lightweight, and it has a power supply in the back, which comes in the form of 2 AA batteries. It's got lots of triggers and controls, as you can see. It's got this really cool little dice main switch knob, and that seems to control the volume and the pitch simultaneously. It's solid black. I mean, they could have done a better job with, like, maybe making the keys a little bit different color. I might customize that myself. And, you know, I have to say overall for the money that it's probably a little bit more than it ought to be for what it is. But being that one person is manufacturing it in their garage, I think that maybe it's not so bad. So that was my review of the DARKSYNTH, and I hope you enjoy yours. If you